Okay, everybody, I'm in Fredrick, Maryland, and pretty much we've got a full-fledged blizzard, I think, going here. Oh, clouds are everywhere. I think he kind of missed the berm there. Oh shit, he's stuck. Poor guy. Scared the shit out of me. Oh, he's stuck. He's not going to get out, is he? He hit that berm. Now he's stuck. The snow's drifting so much you can't see where the berm is now. Let me pan back a little bit. Give you a good look here. Fredrick, Maryland. Right now, there's about 5 inches of snow. Cops are over there going to help the poor guy out. There's no way he's going to get out. But anyway, I get a good light there. Good historic blizzard. I'm glad I came over. Only a couple chasers in Fredrick. I met one guy. Whoa, wind, wind, wind. It's a blizzard, definitely a blizzard now. And it's early. 6 hours from now, it's going to be just totally chaos. You gotta get that guy out. He's stuck. Clouds are working overtime, but I'm safe. I'm in a good area. I got plenty of gas, extra gas. Go over here, see if I can get a better shot of the Okay, it's really getting crazy now. It's drifting. Oh. Incredible. Blizzard underway. People think I'm crazy out here taping. Anyway, I may be here for a couple days after tonight. All right, one more look. Wow, it is coming down. All right, update later, everybody.